Hello, Christmas light people. This is ChristmasLightsTraining.com, and today I wanted to show you a house. Well, I might show you some puppies first. We all like puppies. They're tearing up a they've made a nice little mess here. But today I wanted to show you this house. We actually went all the way around the house with C9s. There's about 400 bulbs. It's quite a big house here. So I'm gonna walk around here and I'm gonna just show you. We was able to do this with only cutting it 3 times. So it's all one continuous piece and it actually turned out really well. Let me see. We had to go up the peaks, we pointed them down, and then the rest of it was gutter. Now, on this piece here, normally we don't go back on this gutter right here. At this gutter, if I can figure out how to do my finger because it's backwards. So normally we don't do this gutter, but being that we did this whole house, I went ahead and did both this whole gutter right here. And so we dropped the cord down right here, and we hooked it back up right there. So our power's, and then we had to cut it again right here at the chimney. So our power is actually flowing from the front of the house, coming around the chimney here and coming around here. So there's 400 bulbs. It's like 430. And I was like, how much power is that going to be? So can you guess? Give me a guess down in the comment of how much amperage, volt amps, you would think it would take to light all these bulbs up. This is a big house. Beautiful place here. I mean, you can't see a house nowhere. The leaves are starting to change. It's just a beautiful place up here. Super awesome. Look at the beautiful leaves out there changing. So with that, we was able to do this whole house with only cutting the wire 4 times. Pretty cool. 400 when only cutting it 4 times is awesome. You can see around here to the front. I'm gonna keep on walking here. We got all the front of the house. This house is beautiful. Beautiful house. I'd love to see this at night up here on the hill. I'm gonna walk out here so we can see a little bit better. And it only took us an hour and 15 minutes to light this whole house up. Now that was me kind of getting the whip, getting it going. We had 2 bulbers. I was a clipper. We had a roof guy. So that's this house. So I'm gonna come up here and I want to show you how many amps we got. So with our little tester here, right here, my tester, there'll be a video if you want to see it. Click it. So we got 120 volts. We click down once, twice, and we come to amps. Now, how many amps do you think it is? Give me a guess, because I guessed way wrong. Now, these are a newer bulb that we got from Novelty Lighting. So I don't know how bright they are. I'm going to test them tonight when I go home to our older bulbs, but I want to show you how many amps we're pulling. We aren't even pulling 2 amps, 1.78 amps. I had guessed it at like 6, 1.78. That is crazy, crazy low. We could leave these on night and you probably wouldn't even see a dent in the electric bill. It's just that low. So if you want to watch and learn how to do videos on how to hang Christmas lights, please check out my video and I will have a bunch of videos up there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.